Okay. Well, okay. This is chapter 2 of Awesomeness. I forgot to say in the beginning, sorry about that, Artemis. If I fall down here, I can probably die. I know you can't really see it, but if you were me, it would be fucking steep. I'm Justin Stevens. They say there's a college up here, but it doesn't look like there is. I need Greater Plains. Not really. I'm a little whatever. My friend Owen says there was a serial killer. He got lost in the woods before, so I'm trying to find where he is, cause I can turn him in. He's not even real, and he probably just hearing things like fall, like squirrels or something animal. Then overall, it's not totally lost because I'm having fun hiking, and this is really fun. Okay, I have to get all the way up there. If I can zoom in, it'd be probably further to you. I doubt it though. I don't know if that's a hole up there. I hope it's not a bear cave. That'd be shit. I'd be dead meat. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna finish my hiking of chapter 2 of Awesomeness. Later on my other videos, I'm gonna be making a Ninja Turtle snowboard. I don't want to tell you because it will spoil it for the winter. That's a big ass rock. I don't understand. Why would it be a college up here? What the? Okay. Don't know how I'm gonna get down. Probably fall. This is like having fun. Okay. So I need to finish this. Oh shit. Okay. I really don't know where I am. Why is there a huge boulder? Huh. Oh, and the second reason I came, because I want to see if Slender Man was real. I know he's just a fucking YouTube's nightmare, but I don't know about that. What the? What is that? Is that a spider web? That's a cave. Oh no. I don't know about doing this anymore. I have a fear. Oh shit. Ow. Yeah. Might be a bear up there. I think it is. I hope to God it's not a bear in there. Wait. Did someone look up on that wall? I don't think it's a bear cave. I think it's an entrance. If it is, I'm dead meat. I'm doing this because it's awesomeness, and you're supposed to be doing this crap anyways. Don't know why there's a little cave there. Don't want to, so fuck that. What the? Get up! Oh shit! Hope to God it's a bear. Nope. Okay. I don't know about going in there. Hope this is safe. Okay. I'm entering the little entrance. I'm running for my life. Okay. Good, so this is. College here. Okay. I might go to jail for this. Guess I was wrong. It might be is actually a college here. Ow! Okay. Guessing there's the college here. Another web. Okay. It's not a dangerous venture. But where's the college? I just saw a college kid. Probably didn't see in the video. But, it is the college over there. Looks like it. Okay. Oh. Hey, there's some fun. So, this is college. That explains all the beer. Oh shit. Jump down there. Slide down there. Probably college over there. Go another direction. Probably head this way. I probably head to the college, really. So, ooh, you probably want to see the view over there. If I die, if I step on that, doomsday for me. But I don't think there is. Okay. Oh, not that bad. Jump down there, I slide my eyes. Oops, this is a tip. Okay. Sort of getting boring. Hey, I'm back on the track. Why is there a track? Huh. Okay. It was just all steep. Now it's all calm. Okay. I think there is a college over here. And okay, this is my first time going here. Huh. There. You're kidding me. I didn't have, never mind. So this is like a huge ass hike. Owen must be like worrying. I visited Owen today. I hear people up there. Oh, college girls. Oh! Huh. This place must be connected to the college near the middle school. By you, probably entering. Oh, there's nice steps right here. Huh. Yeah, technically this is a trespass. I'm not in college, I'm just 14. Is that a chipmunk? I see something up there. Alright. Later on during the day, I'm gonna make a remote control car that was shooting their bullets. That'll be in my next video. Probably be a couple seconds. I see a building over there. Or just another trail. Okay, I need to take a break. Oh. Minute. I think I'm heading. I hear college kids. Yeah, they're up there. I'm out. That's what the sign said in my first video. It did show it. I'll show you again when I get back to the apartment. I'll be there soon. Okay. Now, but later on, I might do this again, but not near the college, near the highways. Oh, but in the winter, I'm gonna be sliding my snowboard and my new invention, the Ninja Turtle snowboard. It's based on the movie, the new one. I'm gonna probably be sliding all the way down to the apartments at Owen's place, but probably be a long way down. I'll be climbing up here again in the winter, but I'm gonna make a helicopter back. Hope you can see that too. It'll be like millions of probably let's see, 40 or more helicopters attached to me. They're like remote control ones. I'm gonna see if it'll fly, and I'm gonna do one. This other one I'm gonna do is hold on. Is that the, why? This other one I'm gonna take it. Hold on. Sorry. The apartments are right there, and it seems so long up there. I was not gonna be. I'm not gonna probably sled down here. I'm gonna probably sled down near the trees, cause with the new adventure I'm gonna make. So I hope we can be there. Oh yeah, and what I was about to say is I'm gonna do street jumping. It's gonna be awesome tricks. What the? Okay. I might get this whole time. So it's a quick way out. Is that what the hell? What? It's ridiculous. Why does humankind have to ruin everything? See, if you can see closely, it's fucking light there. For college kids. It's ridiculous. I didn't even know there was a college right here. See, there's a lot. I'll show you a zoom. Yeah, see? Yeah, okay. That's it for the trail. See you next time in awesomeness. Bye!